Com 5-year cost to own awards. Only 6,762 miles. This Buick Encore boasts a turbocharged I4 1.4 L/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. White FROST TRICOAT Includes, BQX, Satin Nickel Metallic lower exterior accent color, paint code W733J, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, includes driver shift control, seats, front bucket, STD. This Buick Encore comes equipped with these options: LPO, cargo tray, custom molded, included with, PCZ, active package, LPO, experience Buick package includes, IO6, Buick IntelliLink radio with navigation, CF5, tilt sliding power moonroof and, RV8, 18 7-spoke chromed aluminum wheels. Premium preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, LPO, front footwell and cup holder lighting kit, LPO, all-weather floor mats, LPO, accessory carrier mount includes 1/4 receiver for attaching bike/ski carriers, engine, turbo 1.4 liters variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder direct injection CD with start/stop mode, 153 horsepower, 114.1 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 177 pounds-to-foot of torque, 239.0 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. Ebony, leather appointed seat trim, wipers, front intermittent, rain sense, wipers, front intermittent with pulse washers. This Buick Encore is a superstar. KBB.com 5-year cost to own awards, KBB.com brand image awards. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.